Welcome, fellow adventurers, to an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the making of Garten of Banban 7. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of sound design and discovering how the whimsical soundscape of this beloved game came to life. Ever wonder how those fantastical creatures and magical environments sound so lifelike? It's all thanks to the talented team of sound engineers who painstakingly craft each and every auditory element. Hi there! In Garten of Banban 7, our goal was to create a rich and immersive audio experience that transports players to another world. From the chirping of exotic birds to the rumble of thunderstorms, every sound is carefully crafted to enhance the player's journey. But how do they achieve such authenticity? Enter the Foley artists, the unsung heroes of sound design, using everyday objects like coconuts, celery, and bicycle wheels. They bring characters and environments to life in ways you wouldn't believe. And let's not forget about the magic that happens in the mixing room. Here, sound engineers blend and balance various audio elements to create a seamless soundscape that pulls players deeper into the game's universe. Of course, no game would be complete without its musical score. Meet the brilliant composer behind the enchanting melodies of Garten of Banban 7, who infuses each track with emotion and excitement. But the real magic happens when all these elements come together in perfect harmony. Let's take a listen as we immerse ourselves in the mesmerizing sounds of Garten of Banban 7. From the rustle of leaves to the roar of waterfalls, every sound tells a story and adds depth to the player's experience. It's these small details that make Garten of Banban 7 a truly unforgettable adventure. And there you have it, adventurers. The secret behind the sounds of Garten of Banban 7 has been revealed. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes peek into the world of game development. Until next time, keep your ears open and your imaginations wild. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exclusive content from the world of gaming. Thanks for watching, and happy adventuring!